So okay, first grind we're gonna try double manual mill moringa leaves, and we'll just put like just over maybe 2/3 of the cup. We'll put that in the blender and we'll take it from there. Let's see how this works. Stop that one. So what we'll do is we'll just shake it a little bit and inspect. See, there's some ungrinded stuff at the top, which we can just do it again. And then if you really want a really fine powder, we can sift this even further. So if there's some small pieces that hasn't been grinded, we take them out and put them in the next batch. That's a good grind. You can feel the powder is a little bit warm because of the friction, but there we got it, guys. Looks very good. Alright guys, for the next step in our process to make moringa powder filled capsules is we have to sift the powder we made with this new NutriBullet balance, and this is the result. So this now we will filter, sift, and then after we have a nice fine powder to compact nicely into our tablets. Our aim is, previously we had about 300 milligrams per capsule. That was with the previous grinder. However, with this one I'm hoping to get 450-500 compacted powder within every capsule. So once we've done that, reminding ourselves of what we have here. Here is about 2000 vegetarian based, vegan, gluten-free, 100% plant-based oil capsules, separated the big parts and the small parts. Now how do we fill this? It's actually very easy. I have a small spoon like this, and it's a little bit long, so I dip it into the powder. I take a capsule like this and I fill it in. I tap it nicely, yeah, tap it, I do it again, ooh, until it's nice and firm. And once it's done, I put my little spoon down. I take a small capsule end like this, I put it together, make sure it's nice and tight. I weigh it and make sure it's 500 grams. Once that is complete, I move on to the next one. And I do that 2,000 times here and another 3,000 times to complete all the capsules I have. No, I'm just joking. In order to fill the capsules, it's actually becoming really easy with all these modern toys we can buy. So what we have here is a capsule filler, if I can call it that. Yeah, this one is like spring loaded. So in the next part of the video, after I sifted all these powders, not all of them, just some, which I think I will be using for this evening. Once I sift through them, nice fine powder, I will show you how to use this one. Right? Stay tuned.